that every year in Almaty, 2.5 million tons of coal is burned. And in a city of almost 2.5 million people, that's almost a ton of coal per person. Welcome to our second annual Haileybury Almaty Eco Symposium, where students of the school get to engage with sustainability issues and discussions around a greener future.
Welcome to our Social Projects Club. Here we create projects that make difference, helping people, protecting nature and making the world a little bit better. We will guide you through the whole process of building a real project that you proudly can add to your portfolio in the future.
This morning, our students were visited by some special guests from Narxoz University and the Almaty Air Initiative to learn about some of the climate issues that face our country today. Then students entered a rotation of workshops and exhibitions where they get to explore sustainable and green companies functioning all around Almaty in Kazakhstan, and then also get hands-on, really fun experience with activities like planting, gardening, making candles, and making paper from recycled materials.